Allegheny Tower, Stationair 940, Mike Romeo, holding short, runway 28.
Stationair 940, Mike Romeo, Allegheny Tower, runway 28, turn right heading 060, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, turn heading 060, 940, Mike Romeo.
Would you like another short approach?
Affirmative, current track 308.
Current track 308, short approach approved, runway 2, Archer traffic extended. Cessna 737, number 2, runway to the land.
Runway 28, clear to land.
For departure, have a good one.
Contact us for departure, thank you.
Miles northbound, here.
Mike Romeo, 2030 to the Bravo, 7,500, 0 Mike Romeo.
Contract, Mike Contract, 6,600 BFR.
Mountain approach, Johnstown Tower 30. We're down to 28, my RPM's down to 23. Gain 1,515 degrees, 9,500 to avoid these clouds.
077 Center, Charlie, thanks.
Center 940, Mike Romeo.
Go ahead.
There's some airspace ahead, Mike Romeo. 24.32, 0 Mike Romeo. 940, Mike Romeo, 8600 for 9,500. Cleveland Center 940, Mike Romeo, 89.
And we'd like to have 0 for 36 November.
Delta 20.
For 3014 into the Skyline, sir.
0 Mike Romeo, 9,500. Romeo, dropping down to 7,500. Mike Romeo, 8,500. 140 Mike Romeo. 940 Mike Romeo.
7940,
And I flew through it about an hour ago. I assume I'll be inactive, 0 Mike Romeo.